Welcome to our third video in the series. In this video, we'll be creating two charts. First one is a column chart to show the distribution of the letter grades. So let's head over. Let's first of all change sheet 3 to charts. All right. So I'm going to head over to worksheet 2. So first one we're going to do is to show the distribution of the letter grades on the column chart. That is to show how many of each letter grade that we have. So the data is actually here, so just want to highlight the letter grades. It's from A to E, and then it's going to go to insert chart race in this column chart. So it shows here the distribution of the letter grades as indicated. And so now we're going to just click on layout and add chart title. Have it centered above the chart. I'm going to call it distribution of letter grades. We can label each axis. So here it says axis title. So the horizontal one is the primary one. That's the one that runs from left to right. So I'm going to put title below axis. And this would be the letter grades. And then axis title like that, the vertical one. So I'm going to set it. Don't like that one. Let's use. Still like that one. So this is going to be the number of students. Yeah, so the number of students will go double update. Good. You can also change the color of these, the bars. You can apply a different color to each bar, each so as to have the legend back there. All right, so to get a different color for each series or each bar, just double click on one of the bars. All right. And here we have the option to see pop-up a series option. So we're gonna go to fill. Now there are quite a number of options of fill. Could be no fill, solid fill, but there is an option here that says vary colors by point. That will actually allow for a color to be automatically assigned to each series as indicated. Right? So that's pretty much how we create the chart. I'm gonna move this chart. So I'm just gonna right click. Let's say move chart. And I can choose to keep it as an object on a particle sheet, which I'm gonna do now on the chart sheet. Let's choose chart here. That's a sheet where I want it to go. That. So it actually moves it over to here. If that's how you want it. You actually put it on a sheet by itself. Right, the next chart we want is a pie chart that shows the percentage by class or the grade code. So let's see what we have. So the percentage by class. So probably, let's say I want to see what percentage of the students are in, say, class 1. What percent is in class 2. So here we had the number of students for class 1, number of students for class 2. So if we highlight this, we can just insert the chart. In this case, a pie chart. That will show the distribution of the students based on the class. Right. So just like the column chart, we can format this chart as well. So we can just go on layout, and of course we can add a chart title. And we're gonna put the chart title based on its percentage by class. And of course, we can actually display the percentages on the charts, on the chart, on the different pies. Right. All right, so we're gonna display the percentages on the chart. So we're gonna look at data labels. There's some more data labels options. So here we're gonna specify that we'd like to see the percentage. And I'm gonna display the volume. All right, and it asks us where to position the percentages with a center inside. I put them on the outside. Close. So as you can see, we have the 67% from class 1. Let's double check this. Data labels. So because I selected a particular pie a while ago, that's why I'm not seeing it from both. So now I should be seeing it from both. And we actually want it on the outside. So pay keen attention there. So okay, good. For this chart, I'm gonna put this chart on a sheet by itself. So I'm gonna just right click and choose charts. Choose new sheet. Um, so there's a percentage by class. So simply copy to a new sheet. Good. So thank you for watching, and that's it for the charts.